We want to differentiate y is equal to 4 cos 2x. If we look at this as a function of a function, the x first goes into the 2x function, and that will give us 2x as output, and then it goes into the 4 cos x function. The output then is 4 cos 2x. So this is the first, or inside function, and this is the second, or outside function. Once again, we're going to use the chain rule. So let's differentiate. If we differentiate the outside function, the cosine, 4 cos x would differentiate to minus 4 sin x. So here we treat the inside function, the 2x, as if it's just x. So we get minus 4 sin 2x. We then have to multiply by the differential of the inside function, and if we differentiate 2x, we get 2. Tidying, this gives us minus 8 sin 2x.